A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I'm Mohammed Mansha and I'll teach you English alphabet. Last time we had studied first 13 letters of English alphabet starting from A to M. Now we learn our next letter. Do you know what is our next letter? Yes, that is N. What? N. And N is 14th letter of English alphabet. Good. Now we are sharing some examples of this letter. N for nest. N for net. N for nail. Good. And do you know some other names which are starting from N? Yes. N for nose. Nose. Good. And N for neck. N for neck. Good. Now we'll learn how to write this letter N. For this purpose, we'll use dotted lines, dotted sheets, and this worksheet will help you to learn N.
The letter is N. N gives N sound. For example, nest, net, nose. Nest, net, nose. Good. N gives N sound. N sound. Now you can have writing practice with the help of your index finger 10 times to write the letter N. After that, you can use your pencil to write N 10 times. Good. Now move on to the next blocks. Your first block is carrying different letters. Simply, you can read these letters loudly. Good. And identify the letter N from this block. You can put your finger on N. Good. Now move on to the next block. It is carrying different pictures. Simply, you can name them, call the names of these pictures, and tell first letter of these pictures, the beginning sound of these pictures. Good. And this is given on page number 26 of your book.